with the... Maybe this is your sign to clean the fridge with me. I have a meeting with my sisters. Hola chicos, welcome to a simple week with me. My plan for today is to dust the entire place. I'm going to start with the things that are in top of me. And let's see how it goes. I'm also gonna be doing more cleaning, so I won't be showing you everything, but I'm gonna show you the most interesting things. Hi Frida, are you gonna help me cleaning the dust today?
No.
If you don't have one of these, I recommend you to get it right away because it's super cool. Look, it's long and also it's going to allow you to, you know what? Let me show you what it does instead. You're going to place this in here. The little joys of life that money can buy in your terrace, like seeing that the ceiling fan is finally clean. Alright, let's stop talking and let's move on to the next one. Once you're done, I'm sure you already thought about it, but yeah, we have to clean this baby. The small cloth is drying, and now, amigos, I am in the process of vacuuming. And let me tell you something, it is a whole workout. Frida, why are there so many of your hairs around even though I vacuumed just recently?
I live here too.
I did it. I finished with my list today. I do have a checklist. I started this tradition at work and then I translate that to the house, and it helps me to be organized and kind of accomplish everything I have in my mind, because if I don't do that, then I will be not knowing what to do, where to go, and then I am a mess. I don't do this every single time, but I try to do it whenever I have different things to do. And look guys, everything is checked. The only thing I had planned, I just added in case I had time to do it, was to map, but it's okay. I already had that plan for tomorrow, and so that was the only thing I missed. So I am happy because I finished my list. Today I started the day really good. I went for a walk. It was nice, sunny, beautiful day. I am a little tired, but in a good way. I also wanted to tell you that a couple days ago, my husband discovered something really good that was made right here in this kitchen with these hands.
Of course, we also use my husband's hands and a few simple ingredients.
Hey! Hey!
I know it's like a simple recipe, but it's so good that I didn't want to keep that just for us. A simple recipe with a deliciously worked. I have a meeting with my sisters soon, super soon. Usually they are on time, but today they are a little behind. One of my sisters is stuck in traffic, so it will be 15 more minutes, and then the other sister is stuck at work, so it will be around the same time. So in the meantime, I'll be waiting. Now I'm gonna be late. Hola, ¿cómo estás? Here she is, my beautiful sister Xiaomi, the one that was stuck in traffic. Hi. My sister Yula has arrived. However, she doesn't show her face today, maybe the next time. And the weather, she did want to show us the weather, so look at that beautiful view. Okay. If you've been pouring this off too, maybe this is your sign to clean the fridge with me.
I recently realized I was not cleaning my fridge as often as I should. It does take time, but trust me, it's so worth it. All I'm using is vinegar, water, and a paper towel. And just look at that chunk. At first, I told myself I will only clean this section, so if you're tired, this is your sign to do a little at a time. But I couldn't stop. I had to go in and remove the glass to clean this mess. It might not look like a huge difference on camera, but it smells so fresh and all the stains are gone.
And that's all for today. I hope you guys enjoy it. Hit that like, subscribe, and see you next time.